In this short video, we will look at the features that are available in the QMS module in Saniori. The other video that we showed actually showed an assessment done on a Saniori tablet, but this information is then sent to the backend server, and the information you can consult in here. You can access the QMS menu on the left, and this brings you directly to the QMS dashboard. Here you will see how many assessments were done this week or this day, and what the worst and the best zones were. The QMS module actually consists of three main topics. The first topic is the zone, which is showing like the certain zone that your airport comprises of. In this case, we have over 300 zones identified in our airport, and each zone has a blueprint where you can find a specific zone, and also an inventory of everything that is available in this type of zone, and also a cleaning rule. The cleaning rule determines the weights that are given to each inventory item, and using this in combination with the rating will give you one average score. So those are the cleaning rules. In this case, we have about 216 rules for the whole airport. We can then also define routes, and these routes will then be transferred to the tablet and assigned to the inspectors to actually do a QMS assignment. If we're looking a little bit closer to one of the sent QMS executions, we can see, for example, that this zone only floor has been assessed a couple of minutes ago, and it has an average score of 4. We can jump right through the assessment, and there we will see that indeed the floor had a score of 4, which means the global score is 4. There were some additional notes made, and there was also a picture taken by the inspector.